Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to unbox a Red Magic 6R. Red Magic 6R is a really new phone and it has amazing configurations. It has a 144Hz display, 360Hz touch sampling, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and 400Hz built-in shoulder trigger buttons. And now, I am going to buy the phone. But then, something terrible happened.
The next day.
2,000 years later.
Listen up.
One eternity later.
As you can see, it really traveled a lot to get to me. And now, it's time for the real unboxing. First, let me just carefully open it. There is a box inside. And an air cushion inside the box. Finally, the phone box. The box looks really good. Let's open the box. This is how it looks inside. Let's see what's in it. A small box with warranty paper. I don't really think I'll need them. And a phone case. It looks good, but I already bought one. And this is the phone. I will first try to open it. Oh god, its wrap is so hard to open. Wow, it looks really good. It definitely deserves the wait. I will just put the phone case on. There is also a charger inside the box. And my first week with this phone will begin right now.
Much later.
After using it for a week, I find out some pros and cons with this phone. Firstly, this phone has amazing cameras. It makes perfect pictures. These are some examples about them. Also, because of its good configurations, it can run things very smoothly. So to sum up, in my opinion, it's a great phone and it definitely deserves the money.